Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I need to talk about comments on YouTube videos once again. I love when people leave comments. They make corrections to what I say because I'm no expert. I make a lot of mistakes. I appreciate that. Or they have additional information that I can share with you. But lately, there's been a problem with comments, the way YouTube handles comments. Now, what normally happens is when you leave a comment, I get an email and showing me the comment, and then I can immediately, well, as much as possible, immediately respond to your comments. Because like I say, I love when you take the time to leave comments. Well, lately, I've been getting these emails and I go to respond to the comment and there's no comment. And you can, on YouTube, as a creator, you can go to manage videos and then go under comments and see the list of all the comments for all the videos. And there's two categories. There's one category of comments that you have not responded to, and another category of comments held for review, which YouTube has flagged that comment as possibly a problem. Either it's something inappropriate or it has a link, and they need you to check to be sure that it's a good link. Well, they don't always do that. Sometimes they just delete the comment and you can't find it. And some of them are just regular comments, and I don't know why they were deleted, but unfortunately, since they were deleted, I can't respond to them. And I really hate that. So bear that in mind. If you leave a comment and I don't respond within 24 hours, if you go back to where you left the comment, see if it's posted under the video. Maybe it got filtered out for one reason or another. Now, like I say, they do filter out most comments, not all, most comments that have a link in the comment. So, but those normally go to that area where I can review it and either accept that comment with the link or not. I got a recent comment about a video I showed of someone else's, and the gentleman said that he was going to make more reviews of this new Sangean radio, and he had a link to one of his pages. That comment is gone. I cannot find it, so I can't approve it. It's gone. Which is, in that case, I wanted to show you that comment and to show you the other things the gentleman is doing. But I can't. I guess I can go to his channel and try to contact him that way, because most of the people that leave comments, the only access I have to them is via YouTube and their YouTube channel. So I don't have an email address that I could say, hey, I got your comment, but I don't see it on my YouTube channel. Can you try posting it again, or send it to me in an email and I'll post it for you? It's a mess. So please bear with me. Maybe they'll get this straightened out again. This has happened in the past, and it kind of it got in this mode for a while, and then it cleared up, and now it's back. So I'm sorry I'm not responding to some comments and you're not seeing them. Kind of out of my control. Anyway, have a great day. Bye-bye.